Hey Aquarius, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. I'm going to be honest with you, y'all, I'm picking up you guys are manifesting someone new to come into your life, and that's why Spirit is saying stay optimistic. You know, you guys are like, when is, he coming, she coming? I've been putting in the work. I've been patient. I've been focusing on me. I want love. But some of you guys may just be like, F it, I give up. I'm just going to focus on me. I don't have time for the nonsense. Completely agree. So, Spirit is saying stay optimistic because you guys, whether you're realizing it or not, you are manifesting a new soulmate to come into your life. Someone brand spanking new, okay? And Spirit is saying, if you do want love in your life, put yourself out there. The fact that I saw let your friends help you at the bottom of the deck, I'll be saying that maybe you guys are going to meet someone new by way of, one of your friends. You could be out with friends and you meet someone. But yeah, this is looking good. So I'm not picking up a past person here. Somebody said amen, hallelujah, yes, thank you. Alright guys, let's see. Let's see how this plays out. Maybe some of you guys already have met someone new. But we're in the shadow period of Mercury retrograde, so y'all know the exes are going to try to come back. But let's just see how this plays out. Okay, bottom of the deck, I'm seeing the Page of Pentacles reverse. So this could be saying that maybe someone feels, stuck in something codependent. Someone still has, codependent behaviors, whether it's you, someone else. So let's just see how this plays. This also could be saying that maybe you guys are feeling some type of way, like I was telling you earlier, because you haven't received the offer that you want. See? Someone's not happy here. Someone's not happy at all. Yeah, because you're feeling like things aren't going to turn around for you. Possibly in your love life. Let's see. But look at that. I'm telling you, you guys have an offer coming in. Y'all, I'm sorry. It is bright outside. I don't even have my blinds open. So, just give it a second, okay? I don't know what's happening. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But I just feel like you guys are no longer putting the time, effort, or energy into relationships, into love, like I was telling you earlier. Yeah, because it's like everybody that you guys keep coming across, they're sneaky. It's like it's always something with, him or her, and y'all are like, I don't have time for this. Yeah, see? And because you keep dealing with people that are sneaky, I feel like maybe you're looking at it like it's always something with this person. Either they're codependent to friends, family, an ex, certain behaviors. It's just always something with them, and I'm tired, but I do feel like Spirit is saying you guys have to change the way you're thinking, because not everybody is like that. I feel like there is somebody out there that can give you what it is that you're looking for, because even the Three of Wands just tried to jump out of my hand. So I'm telling you guys that basically you guys need to stay positive, because I feel like you're going in the right direction and you're starting over, because something or someone is coming into your life. Something good is coming in. See, look at that. I'm telling you, they need you to let go of feeling like you got left out in the cold, by these past individuals. They want you guys to let that go. So, look at that. You're going to make a decision. Aquarius, I ain't going to lie. I'm loving this, okay? Because it's not talking about the past person right now. See what I'm saying? I can't make this up, Aquarius. Look, some of you guys could have been dealing with a Capricorn, but I feel like you guys walked away from, that person or those people. This is also Spirit saying you got to make the decision to walk away from those codependent behaviors. The codependent behaviors is basically what you're holding on to because of what the people in the past did, You're letting that go. Oh, why, Jesus? Okay, so Spirit is saying, oh my God. Hold on, y'all. Y'all are my first sign. Why? Yeah, I want y'all to stay positive. So this is where I'm gonna roll with it. I need y'all to stay positive. I have to say it because it is here. Some of you guys could have been dealing with people. Okay, hold on. I'm picking up a lot. Hold on. Let me back up. I gotta put the deck down. Alright, so look. Jesus. All right, some of you guys could have been dealing with love interest, right? Now, either it was hard for you guys to move forward because there could have been spell work or black magic that was done to either you or this individual, which was making it really, really hard. Like there was like a third party here that did this, but I feel like somebody broke out of it. I feel like, I mean, it's so many things I'm picking up, so y'all just ride with me. For some of you guys, I feel like you had to separate yourself from this person because it's like a lot of you know that this is your person that you're supposed to be with, but they couldn't make up their mind to save their life. There was black magic or spell work that was involved. You guys could have been feeling the effects of it, and you're like, you know what? I can't keep doing this. I'm not going to keep putting myself in jeopardy. You removed yourself. Oh, Lord, it's too many of y'all. Some of y'all, honestly, the spell work or the black magic was being done on you. You know, whether this was a family member or members doing it to you, this could have been, you know, a love interest. Their person, you know, or family member was, you know, trying to do something towards you to get you out of the picture. And you guys were like, you know what? You guys have been, you know, healing, saging, crystals, you know, just doing whatever you got to do to protect yourself. And I'm feeling like if that resonates, you removed yourself out of that. Like, you broke out of whatever they were trying to do. But with all of that being said, I am also still picking up, Spirit is saying they want you to stay positive because either a lot of you guys have someone new coming into your life, or this could be possibly the past person breaking free from what someone else did, and they're coming back. You know, they're trying to break free from this. So let's just see. Yeah, regardless, Aquarius, you're gonna have a victory. Regardless, you're gonna have this victory coming in for you. And see, that's why they want you guys to stop worrying. Don't be frustrated by what happened, because whoever, I'm gonna be honest with you, whoever was doing the spell work, the black magic, oh, it's coming back on them if it hasn't already hit. I'm gonna just leave it there. So anyway, you guys made a decision. What's the decision for my Aquarius, please? Yep, it's about a past person or something that took place in the past. Family, tell me more. When it comes to the past, I feel like somebody had a lot of options. You know, and you guys had to remove yourself. See what I'm saying? You guys felt stuck, trapped. You know, what was that? Look at that. I'm trying to clear away obstacles. I'm telling you. You guys freed yourself from that situation and you're walking away. But it hurt you. You know, you were upset because I feel like you wanted to be with this individual, but you're like, no, this is too much. I have to move on, you know, no matter how much it hurts, and just focus on me. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. Oh, see, now, okay, hold on. I'm hearing past person now. All right, so we're going to still keep it for the singles, okay? But I have to put this out there for somebody. So, remember I was telling you guys that I do feel like there was some type of spell work or black magic that's being done, and somebody's breaking free from it because they want to have a victory with you. The thing is, the way this is looking from what I'm hearing, this could have been like a family situation where your person has a child or children with someone. You know, like it's the mother of their child, father of their child, or it's like a family member, their mom, sister, you know, somebody that was in the way. And your person, they're getting ready to free themselves and they're walking away from this individual. Back and forth with the Hermit. Somebody could have been dealing with a Virgo here. But I feel like, yeah, somebody's still isolating themselves. But this was a lesson for everyone. See, because I'm telling you, you're going to have a new opportunity here, Aquarius. There's something, look, I can't make this up. There's love coming in. You guys definitely have love coming in. Could be dealing with a Gemini. Tell me more. That's why they're saying, stop being frustrated by what took place in the past. You know, don't worry because, yes, somebody did have you waiting. Whether this is the past person coming back, trying to make things right, or this is someone new. The way the Knight of Cups just came out, I feel like somebody's trying to have the confidence to come back in. See, the story's getting split. So, y'all, I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to say it both ways. So, let's just say if it is a past person, I feel like they're trying to have the confidence to come back towards you to apologize, but they're not confident just yet because of everything that they put you through, the things that they have said. If this is you guys focusing on someone new, I feel like you're trying to have confidence, you're trying to put yourself out there, but you're not confident. You're like, I don't know if I want to open myself back up to someone. But see, Spirit is saying stop looking back at what took place in the past for you. They need you to move forward. But you're back and forth with the Three of Wands. I'm telling you, some of you guys, you're moving forward. You're like, you know what? This past person here, I wanted something with them, but I can't do this anymore, and now I need to focus on me, no matter how hard it is, because there's somebody out there that can give me what it is that I'm looking for. For others of you, you guys are like, I don't want to build with this person. Maybe the person's feeling like you don't want to build with them. Let's see. Yep, look at that. I told you. The seeds that you planted, possibly with this other person, yeah, you guys do not want to move forward with them. I'm telling you, y'all wanted someone new. You're like, I'm not doing this anymore. Somebody could have been dealing with a Cancer. Somebody also could have been dealing with a Pisces, but I'm seeing that, oh Lord, the truth is coming out. Somebody's speaking their truth to you, and they're wanting things to improve. But I feel like, remember I told y'all, Mercury retrograde is upon us, and we are in the shadow period, so I feel like there is somebody that's going to try to come back, Aquarius, but I feel like you may not accept this offer. But Spirit is saying you're not listening to your intuition. For others of you, this could be the past person trying to come back, trying to extend an offer to you, but they're worried that you're not going to take it, and they're not listening to their intuition, because they do want things to improve with you. See, somebody's removing themselves from a third-party situation. Y'all, this storyline is literally split. I'm seeing it both ways, so just take it however it fits. For some of you, this person's going to come back and tell you that it wasn't working out with, a love interest or a family member, and they broke things off. They removed themselves because they want to work things out with you. For others of you, I feel like this person's going to try to come back, and you're like, no, I don't want anything to do with you. I'm tired. I'm removing myself from this situation. I want something else. I want someone new. Yeah, see, some of you guys are cutting them off. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, but if this is the past person, I feel like there is going to be direct communication. Like this person, they're making cuts. I'm telling you, if there was third party interference here, which I'm feeling like there was with this past person, they're making some serious changes. They do not want you to walk away. But some of you guys have to make a decision about what you're going to do. Tell me more. Yeah, because see, I'm telling you, some of you guys are not going to accept this offer. See? Because this person in the past didn't put in the work. So you're like, nope, I'm not going to give you another chance. You're not worried about it. You're not frustrated about it anymore. But look at that. There is a new beginning. I'm telling you. So either this past person's coming back, and they're coming back to you correct because they want a new beginning. For others of you, you're shutting that past person down, and you're moving forward, and you're going to have a new beginning with someone else. See? Because you don't want a new beginning. I'm telling you, y'all are shutting it down. Y'all don't want this past person anymore. Y'all are over it. Back and forth with what? See, this person started way too much conflict. It was too much drama. There were a lot of people involved. You're like, no, I don't want this. See? Could have been a home or a family situation, like I was saying. You guys don't see stability with this person anymore. You're like, no. And see, yeah, this person doesn't bring you a peace of mind. Aquarius, there you are. You could have been dealing with another Aquarius. I don't know if I said it, but somebody could have been dealing with a Scorpio. But anyway, you guys, basically, you lost hope. You're like, there's nothing more that I can do. I'm tired. I'm not doing this with you anymore. But look at that. I'm telling you, it's split, y'all. It's split. So, some of you guys, I'm telling you, the past person's coming back because they choose you. They want to work things out with you. They want to balance things out. For others of you, again, because you're shutting this person down, you're like, nope, I'm moving on. I want to be with someone else because you took too long. You were moving really slow. I'm not doing this with you. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aries, but I'm telling you, this person didn't bring stability. But I'm also picking up this past person is coming back to speak their truth because they could have had a lot of ego, a lot of pride, and they let that go. They're wanting to work something out with you. Maybe for some of them, they had to get out of some type of contract or some type of legal obligation or a legal situation here. Somebody could have been dealing with a Libra. Somebody also could have been dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo, but I feel like, see, this person's going to have a hard time because I can't have a hard time